Hi guys, welcome to our latest Whiteboard Friday. Roshan is back from the Analytics Summit and he has learned a lot of things. There are a lot of new things that are coming up, and today we want to dedicate the Whiteboard Friday to discuss about everything that's coming up and how it can add value to your business.
We got an invitation from Google to participate Google Analytics Summit 2017 because we are a Google Analytics certified partner, and there were 63 countries and 500 different individuals participated with this event, and also we were the only agency to participate from Sri Lanka. Google Analytics came up with Google Analytics 360 suite. This 360 suite contains 6 different products. So today we are going to talk about high level architecture of Google Analytics 360, then individual products and their capabilities. Afterwards, we are going to talk about how to use Google Analytics 360 to get maximum return out of your ad spend.
We will also talk about campaign automation, how you can use automation in your campaigns to get a better ROI. And also we will look at how you can use BigQuery analysis to get better insights from your data. And finally, we will discuss about what we learned at the Analytics Summit. Google showed us the roadmap for their 6 products that they have in their 360 suite. Starting off with the Google Analytics 360, which is a paid version of Google Analytics, which has much more capabilities, and also Google Tag Manager, again having more capabilities than the normal free version, and also Google Optimize, which has more options or more capabilities than the free version.
Now they have a separate tool to measure attribution because earlier we had attribution within Google Analytics. But because of the importance of measuring attribution, they came up with a separate tool for that called Attribution 360. And to understand your audience and create separate audience, they have a tool called Audience 360. And to visualize everything by connecting all the source and Google Analytics, they have a tool called Data Studio. Google Analytics 360 is the paid version of Google Analytics. It comes with more capabilities such as it don't contain sampling, and also you can link data with BigQuery. There are multiple opportunities and multiple capabilities compared to free Google Analytics tool. But as a start or SMB, you can use Google Analytics free version to get almost everything as Google Analytics 360. And Google came up with different tool called Firebase Analytics, which actually allow you to measure app behavior and do A/B testing with them, and also get understanding of your app users.
Implementing tracking codes can be a challenging task. You might need a developer's help as well. But Google Tag Manager allows you to implement multiple tracking codes without the help of a developer. It's a very simple process where you can implement different tags from Facebook, LinkedIn, and even any tag that you want very simply by just pushing a container without having to open up the backend or without having to get the help of a web developer every time you need to implement any kind of tracking code.
Google separated their A/B testing engine as Google Optimize. With Google Optimize, Google introduced many capabilities such as you can do A/B testing, you can do segmentation and A/B testing, and also you can do personalization using Google 360. And they also allow us to do 3 concurrent tests for free users. That is more than enough to start with A/B testing and website optimization process.
Figuring out the most suitable attribution model is one of the biggest challenges that marketers have. Google Attribution product has solved this problem. What it does is it tells you the most suitable attribution for your business by using machine learning algorithms. By using predictive analytics, it also tells you if you increase the budget for a certain channel by $1, how much the revenue impact will be, or how much of a return you will be getting by increasing just $1 on a channel.
Google introduced a product called Google Audience 360 to manage your audiences. By using this product, you can identify proper audiences and also target that audience with right message. But Google is yet to launch this product. With the coming months, we can explain and give you proper direction with Google Audience 360.
Google Data Studio allows you to connect multiple sources of data beyond Google Analytics and helps you create or help you visualize that data into dashboards. The Google Analytics 360 stack is a complete end-to-end solution. It starts off with Google Tag Manager, where you can use Tag Manager to implement and collect all the data that you need, and then it moves on to Google Analytics 360, Attribution 360, Optimize 360, and Audience 360, which will help you analyze this data.
So after you analyze this data, then you can have Google Data Studio to visualize that or come up with reports. Then you can connect this Analytics 360 suite with external tool like DoubleClick or AdWord or with BigQuery. Then you can do or you can action insights you got from Analytics 360.
Google Analytics 360 allows you to integrate with DoubleClick. DoubleClick is a programmatic ad platform which helps you run campaigns in a more programmatic manner. And by this integration, it allows you to action the insights that you get or the insights that you get from 360 directly and act upon or advertise based on those insights directly. So it becomes a very autonomous or very seamless process and it becomes very effective.
And Google DoubleClick has multiple components. They have a Google DoubleClick Studio which allow you to create multiple ads. Maybe it could be thousands of ads with automated approach. And also they have a Google Campaign DoubleClick Campaign Manager. Under Campaign Manager, DoubleClick Search allows you to automatically find keywords and match the correct creative with the ads. And also they have a tool called Bid Manager. It automatically manages the bid based on the user, based on the audience to get maximum return out of your campaigns. Google has a big data analytics tool called BigQuery. Google Analytics 360 allows you to connect BigQuery with Google Analytics 360 and get all the data from Google Analytics 360 to BigQuery. The advantage is that you can analyze data as you want, and it's similar to analyzing a SQL database. So this allows you to do custom analysis and come up with custom algorithm to get more insights. And also BigQuery can link to your CRM or any other external source to get holistic view and get insight more from the data.
As we discussed in one of our previous Whiteboard Fridays, the analytics trinity consists of behavior, experience, and also outcomes. It is very critical to understand the experience, and it's a big challenge to understand the experience as well.
Google Consumer Survey help you to understand or quantify customer experience. So by using Google Survey, you can understand your audience better. Then you can understand your brand lift. Finally, you can quantify total revenue lift for your campaign, because in some cases you have to do campaign for online website plus offline store. So in that case, if you want to understand the total revenue impact or the total foot traffic plus revenue got from the e-commerce website, you can simply use Google Consumer Survey. We are unable to share all the information Google presented during the event because all the information, roadmap and the new features are very confidential. So if we want to explain to our customers or share online, we need to sign an NDA. But we are going to explain what are the high level and key takeaways from this event.
Google is putting most of their effort into automation. It is now looking at automating Google Analytics 360 with Data Studio, so you can have an entire end-to-end automated campaign setup. And also they are trying to bring in machine learning and artificial intelligence to Google Analytics, so you can get better insights with faster and with more efficiency.
Google have a plan to come up with new features and the reporting functions to get more insight with existing data. For example, they are going to come up with calculating lifetime value so that you can plan your campaign and customer targeting based on that. Finally, they have a data-driven attribution model so that you can allocate budget based on the insight you are getting from attribution section. After the Google Analytics Summit, we were able to participate for full day workshop for Google Tag Manager and Optimize. In that workshop, Google explained all the features, functions and the advantage for your businesses to improve revenue and the improve performance. So we are planning to do a workshop for the webinar. So you can sign up for the email letter so that we can explain you Tag Manager and Optimize and their capabilities A to Z and how to utilize that for your business.
So Niroshan has been very lucky to meet the man himself, Justin Kutroni. He's the man behind Google Analytics and Google Analytics training. Let's hope he will join us for one of these sessions one day. And hope to see you guys next week.